Selamat sejahtera. I wish to Madam Jessie. My name is Nur Shafrina binti Damali and my magic number is 0181 and F076. So in this video, I play the role as a senior security auditor. So let me teach how to audit a web application. First of all is step review the web application. So here we got agriculture. A web application agriculture range from monolithic application host on internal rack server to microservice hosted on small cloud instance and everywhere in between. It's important to understand this detail before making any changes and record the structure on a flow chart or diagram to use a constant reference. And next is a third-party library. Web application regularly use third-party library that can introduce security and performance issue. While third-party libraries are unavailable in many situations, it's important to ensure that they are secure and updated at all the time. The most important thing is to look for the dependency manager for the third-party library, which serves as a single source of truth for third-party code that can be updated over time. And next is step 2, which is assess security. Assess security is a web application face a wide range of security risks, so it helps to have a clear checklist and potential issue. The Open Web Application Security Project provides this standard, which can be very helpful when auditing a web application for security issue, which is injection. Injection occur when untrusted data is sent to an interpreter as a part of command or query to trick it into executing unintended commands. For example, an SQL injection may involve a user inputting their own SQL query to give themselves administrative privilege in a web application and ultimately stealing data.
Next is check compatibility.
It's for dependency compatibility. Dependency compatibility refers to the compatibility of various third-party dependency with a different version of the underlying program language or framework. If you upgrade the program language or framework, you need to make sure that all the dependencies are working properly and that the application can be still function. Dependency manager make this process easier for managing everything in a single location. If the web application is not using a dependency manager, it might be worth installing one of a first step to initiate the compatibility issue. And the step number 4 is run code metrics, which is for application monitoring. Application monitoring is also a great way to assess an application performance, identify any relevant bugs, and prioritize what needs to be fixed. Many popular application monitoring platforms provide real-time alerts for error driven by actual usage that can be very useful when prioritizing what to fix. They also provide detailed stack tracking that can simplify the process of tracking down the offending code to make a fix. And the last tab is compile recommendation. The final step is making recommendation based on the 4 area involved in an audit. This recommendation will ultimately serve a guide that can use to upgrade a web application and bring it up to date. In addition, developer can refresh this recommendation when implementing their fixes. Also, it also include each section, which is agriculture review, security review, compatibility review, code metric review. That's all from me. Thank you so much, madam.